Speaking of Lars, I think it's time to bring him in.
Tyrant.
And we're oh, Lars! Hey, Lars. How do you like it?
Ah, the Cloud Couch. It was made famous by Restoration Hardware a few years ago, but it's still one of the hottest designs out there in the furniture space. But why is Garelli Furniture's modular sofa so much less expensive than the other Cloud couches out there? Is it really worth it, or is there a catch? We needed to find out for ourselves to get to the bottom of this, and stay tuned because we'll compare them against their top competitor. They call me the Couch Whisperer. I help real people find real couches. Today's real people are actually a couple of good friends of mine. Jason and Lars just moved into a brand new house and they had a few specific criteria. They were looking for something that was not the same boring blue and dark color profile that Jason had always infused into the household. They needed a new couch that was big and deep enough, and they were looking for something that was very, very cleanable. So I think we found them the perfect couch, and I'm about to see it for the very first time, and I'm super excited.
Hey! Excited to have you, man. Let's come on.
This room, this is unbelievable.
You know, the whole thing is that we really want to entertain.
You like people.
I like people.
Okay.
I do. We're now choosing our paint for the kitchen entirely based on the couch.
Let's go take a look at the couch.
Yep.
These are modular pieces. You can put them in various different configurations.
The fact that it's modular is huge because if I'm going to have a night of DJing and really focus more on the music, we can completely turn this around.
Whenever you're going to come out with your debut as DJ Berkowitz,
yeah.
I want to be here for that.
I like it. You're invited.
Okay. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, you know what? I thought I would sink in more. It looks like it's going to be more extreme.
And I love these pillows because sometimes I just start with them, sometimes I take them off, sometimes I just kick back. We've already had from 6 to 76 years old. Everybody finds their place on the couch immediately.
You're about to tell a story probably about your mom being here, and you said 76 years old already. So now I think, Judy, if you're listening to this, he's sorry.
This is my little corner. That's Lars's corner.
Lars is here in the house.
Right.
Now he's a tough customer. I think it's time to bring him in.
Tyrant.
And we're oh, Lars! Hey, Lars. How do you like it?
I love it!
Okay, Lars, you're a tough customer. How are you feeling about it?
So when I first saw this cloud kind of flow over, I got a little worried, but like what Jason's doing right now with the cushion behind you, you can really still be upright, and it really leans into the comfort level of the couch. You can just lounge into this cozy cloud of a couch, especially while watching movies.
You've sat on Cousin Brittany and Cousin Jesse's couch, which is from 7th Avenue. The Garelli couch and the 7th Avenue couch, they have some fundamental differences. This couch is definitely less expensive, so one would assume that it was going to be considerably less quality, but have you noticed major differences?
To me, I feel like it's pretty comparable. Theirs is a little firmer, I think, because there's maybe a little more padding.
The cushions on their model are definitely thicker by design. That being said, with less or thinner cushions, they can kind of get compressed a lot more easily. This is the type of sofa where you want to move the cushions, flip them. So even though you like to park it in there, Jason, you need to sometimes park it there. Thank you guys so much. I think the last thing we need to do, since you have your nephew Monroe come over all the time, we need to do a kid test. Now Monroe is in school right now today, so we have a stand-in.
What?
Oh, Wilder! We need you to do a kid test of this couch. What do you need?
For everybody to get off the couch so I can do the review.
Okay, everybody, clear out, clear out.
Never have I ever sat on a couch that is this cozy.
Are you buying a new couch and want the inside scoop? Subscribe to our channel below so you don't miss any of the info that you need to know.